Tired of wasting time on repetitive tasks in Runescape? Stick around and I will show you how to create automations like this in minutes with Visual Clicker. First, let's click on the plus in the floating menu to create a new action. Then we'll click on the action to open its settings. Here, I'm going to rename this action to make it easier to understand what it's about. Next, we'll scroll down and click on Convert to Dynamic Action to indicate that this will be an action that depends on a visual trigger to be executed. Here, we can select either an image directly from the gallery or an image that is currently being displayed on the screen. For the case of this example, I'll choose to select the image directly from the screen. Right after that, we'll select one of the fish from our inventory. To make the detection more precise, we'll crop the image to focus on a single fish. Since the images of salmon and trout are exactly the same, only differing in color, an 80% match should be sufficient to find either fish. If the fish were very different, I could add a second reference image in this same action. Then we'll limit the image search area to just the area where the inventory exists to gain performance in image searching. Now I'll reduce the post-execution delay to 1 millisecond because the image search time itself will be a good enough delay for this action. There's no need to wait longer after clicking to drop a fish. Next, we'll set this action to repeat 25 times so that multiple fish can be dropped. Additionally, we'll add a random position offset of 10 pixels to give a little randomness to our taps. Excellent. Now let's click the play button and test if the fish dropping is working correctly.